Upgrading your home with an energy-efficient door is one of the smartest investments you can make, especially in Washington, where varying weather conditions demand better insulation and security. Energy-efficient doors offer numerous benefits, from lowering utility bills to enhancing curb appeal. If you're considering making the switch, here's why an energy-efficient door is a game-changer for your home. Lower energy bills. One of the most compelling reasons to upgrade to an energy-efficient door is the immediate savings on your energy bills. Traditional doors often have gaps, poor insulation, and inefficient materials that allow drafts to enter and conditioned air to escape. Energy-efficient doors, on the other hand, are designed with superior insulation properties, reducing the amount of heating or cooling needed to maintain a comfortable indoor temperature. This translates to lower monthly utility costs, making the upgrade a financially sound decision over time. Improved insulation and comfort. Washington experiences a range of temperatures throughout the year, from chilly winters to warm summers. An energy-efficient door is built with advanced insulation materials like polyurethane or fiberglass cores, which help maintain a consistent indoor temperature. No more cold drafts in the winter or hot air seeping in during the summer. Your home remains comfortable year-round with minimal energy waste. Enhanced durability and longevity. Energy-efficient doors are crafted with high-quality materials designed to withstand the elements. Unlike traditional wooden doors that may warp or deteriorate over time due to moisture and temperature changes, energy-efficient doors made from fiberglass, steel, or insulated wood composites offer superior durability. This means fewer repairs and replacements, saving you money in the long run. Increased home value. Upgrading to an energy-efficient door is an excellent way to boost your home's resale value. Prospective buyers are often drawn to homes with energy-efficient features because they recognize the long-term savings and comfort they provide. A high-quality energy-efficient door not only enhances your home's exterior appearance but also adds value to your property, making it more attractive to buyers in a competitive market. Better security and safety. Security is a top priority for homeowners, and energy-efficient doors come with enhanced safety features. These doors are often reinforced with multi-point locking systems, high-quality materials, and shatter-resistant glass options, making them more secure against break-ins. Whether you live in a busy urban area or a quiet suburb in Washington, an energy-efficient door provides peace of mind knowing that your home is well protected. Reduced environmental impact. Choosing an energy-efficient door is an eco-friendly decision that contributes to reducing your carbon footprint. By using less energy to heat or cool your home, you help lower greenhouse gas emissions. Many energy-efficient doors are also made from sustainable materials and are recyclable, further promoting environmental responsibility. Noise reduction. If you live in a noisy neighborhood or near a busy road, an energy-efficient door can help minimize outside noise. The superior insulation properties not only prevent temperature fluctuations but also act as a barrier to sound. Enjoy a quieter and more peaceful home environment by upgrading to a well-insulated door. Stylish designs and customization. Energy-efficient doors come in a variety of styles, colors, and finishes, allowing you to find the perfect match for your home's architecture. Whether you prefer a modern look with sleek steel doors or a traditional wood finish with decorative glass inserts, there are plenty of customizable options to enhance your home's curb appeal while improving energy efficiency. Final thoughts. Upgrading to an energy-efficient door in Washington is a smart investment that delivers both immediate and long-term benefits. From lowering energy bills and improving comfort to enhancing security and increasing home value, the advantages are clear. If you're ready to make your home more efficient, stylish, and secure, consider installing an energy-efficient door today. Your wallet, comfort, and the environment will thank you.